my little friend wanted to do some painting and I didn't have an apron for her to wear, so we're going to make one for her. We're going to do a really quick job on it. So this is what I did to make this apron for her. I just took an old towel that I had and just measured the front of her waist to waist, and then I cut a strip off of it to make the tie to go around her neck, and then I needed to cut another strip to attach to her sides so that I could tie it around her back. And so that's what I'm doing here, is and I'm putting a hem in it so that I can take the first tie that's going to go around her neck here with a pin. I'm just going to feed it through that little hem that I made, and that was pretty simple. That was pretty quick too. So now you can see on the sides where I have the pins going in, straight pins. I'd measured her to see where her waist was, and then I'm just going to double stitch, back stitch on this, make it really secure, and there it is. And here she is trying it on. She was so happy, and that's all she needed.